Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the swim video. Before you go, I'd like to give you guys a little update on the tail. Since the tutorial, I did some changes to it, like sewing the scales on, which was a lot of work, but I really liked the extra security it would give. And I also glued the tips of the scales, so yeah, it's pretty much impossible to get them off right now. And it was a lot of work, but definitely it's worth it. Also, I added foam to the feet pockets, so like my heels wouldn't be showing as much as it did in the tutorial. I really don't like heels showing, so I was really happy adding proper foam to it. Make sure you get the right foam that doesn't hold water. Mine pretty much gets empty right away after I like fill it up with water. So also I added a monofin to the tail because it just felt more secure to swim with actual monofin instead of swim flippers. If you want to add swim flippers, it does indeed work, and you can see it in the video next to me. So yeah, it's your own decision, but I just felt more safe with a monofin in there. So I hope you guys like this video, and please subscribe, and I hope to see you next time in a new video and maybe a new tutorial, who knows. Bye!